Welcome to the Bentley Library Research Essentials tutorials. This tutorial will focus on how to find a Form 10K. We will cover how to locate a Form 10K in both freely available sources on the web as well as Bentley Library databases. But first, let's talk about what a Form 10K is and why it is useful when conducting company research. A Form 10K, or 10K for short, is part of a publicly traded company's required disclosure of information to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The 10K is filed on an annual basis. The 10K differs from other annual reports a company may release, as specific pieces of information are required by the SEC to be included in these forms. In a 10K, you will be able to find valuable information on a company. The 10K will look back on a company's previous year, providing an overview of the business, important events, financial information, and more. There are multiple ways to find a 10K. We'll use the company HP Inc. as an example. The first place that you can look to retrieve a 10K is the company's website. On the website, you'll want to look for a section titled Investor Relations or something similar. This can often be found either in the menus at the top of the website or down in the footer of the website. Once on the investor page, look for the SEC filing section. You may find other forms and filings the company has made in this area as well. Click the link when you find the 10K. You can then download the form and find the information that you need. But where else can you find the 10K? The Bentley Library subscribes to a number of databases that provide company information. Some of these databases also include SEC filings. Go to the Bentley Library Databases A to Z page. You can use the filters on the top of the page to narrow down the list. Use the Annual Reports and SEC filter to focus the databases. The SEC's freely available searchable database EDGAR is linked on this page, as well as Mergent Online, which includes filings. To recap, 10Ks can be found on the company website or databases such as the SEC's EDGAR or Mergent Online. For more information on 10Ks, including how to read a 10K report, visit the US SEC website. We hope that you found this tutorial useful in locating a 10K. If you have any questions regarding content covered in this tutorial or regarding other research, please contact the Bentley Library Reference Desk to speak to a librarian for help.